Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So before we dive into the gain deals this week, let's take a quick moment to talk about my favorite app of all the couponing apps or savings apps, which is the Fetch Rewards app. If you check your discoveries page, often they have little freebies, including these silhouette briefs you can pick up at either CVS or Walgreens and get them completely for free. And the more you use this app, the more of these perks you get every month. So for new signups only, if you are interested in signing up today, check out the link in the notes, and that's my referral code at the top of the screen. And basically, guys, you just go to the link, download the app, use my referral code, and when you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at the Dollar General or an Egg McMuffin that you bought this morning. You're going to be given 2,000 points for the photograph of that first receipt. And if you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on a nice little mountain of receipts. So start snapping away to get your coin. And all of these points amount towards gift cards. And the gift cards start at like $3 to $5. If you want a Dunkin' Donuts gift card, and if you have a bunch of receipts for new signups only, start photographing them. You probably can get a gift card by this afternoon. So if you are interested, again, this is for new signups only. Please check the link in the notes and don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, so the word on the street is that there's supposed to be a clearance event this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday over at the Dollar General. Now, I haven't seen an official, like, one of those memos that they hand out. I want to know if the clearance section will be part of this with the regular, merchandise that's on clearance. That will be an extra 50% off because I love shopping that event. So I'll have to sit tight. And if it is in fact included, guys, I will definitely let you know. But just to throw that in your back pocket, Dollar General might be the place to shop this weekend, especially, pairing coupons with clearance merch. We might be able to find a lot of, cheapies or even freebies. Okay, guys, so if you still might have it on your card, the 5 off of 30, it showed up earlier in September and it expires on the 3rd, and it pairs with the 5 off of 25 on Saturday. Both of these coupons are of a one-time use, so if you've already used the gain one, you can't use it twice. Maybe you have, a spouse's or, your mom's Dollar General card that you could use. But it is of a one-time use. And just to go through a couple ground rules with you guys, you have to get $30 of gain merch. Use the Dollar General app to scan in store to make sure that the 5 off of 30 and the digital coupons are attaching to said products that you're picking up in your basket. You got to really pay attention to this one. If you're off as much as 1 penny, it's not going to work. Say your subtotal is $29.99. You get what I'm saying? Maybe it's a little smart to bring a pad of paper and pen to make sure that your math is on point. The deals that I'm talking about is for Saturday, September the 26th. If you want to do this sooner, it'll be an extra $5. But your biggest savings is to go on that Saturday to get the 5 off of 25 to work in concert. Any issues that you might have at checkout where things are really not balancing, you can always void your transaction where you are not paying a cent, and all of the coupons will stay on your store card. And these are Michigan prices as well. So if you're living in a different part of the US, it might be a little bit more or a little bit less. So a couple weeks back, I did go out and do a couple little deals, and in the communities tab of my YouTube page, so if you look at the very top of the front of my YouTube page, if you scroll over to the middle section, it says community, and usually on Saturdays, I will post a receipt or let you guys know, hey, this is working, hey, this is not working. If you also follow me on Instagram, I'll put like similar information. And just to show you, this was from last month, the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 were in fact stacking. And I mean, to get all that gain merchandise for like $5, it's just absolutely fantastic. And I mean, it's awesome. And linked at the very end, I have the tutorial on how to use the Dollar General app to scan items to make sure that the digitals are attaching, or like a 5 off of 20. It's a very easy tutorial to watch. And if you want to get serious at the Dollar General, this is a way to cut out like 50% of the guesswork. This is a really great video. Please check it out, especially if you're new to this or you're just not really sure. I walk you through how to open up the app, how to scan the barcodes, and how this works. Okay, deal number one, digital deal. We're going to need our two cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have all of these loaded to your store card, or there will be trouble at the store, along with the 5 off of 25. And I'm encouraging you to give this a shot on Saturday. And the first thing that we're going to do is grab off of this bingo list one detergent product, one fabric enhancer product. So whichever one you want to grab, I really recommend to use that DG app to scan your barcodes to make sure the dollar and the 5 off of 30 are in fact attaching. It's paramount for this deal because sometimes certain scents are not included, which is weird. And these are the digital coupons that you need. The dollar for the detergent, have that guy loaded, along with the dollar for the fabric softener. And both of these are expiring on Saturday, so definitely that's a use it or lose it sort of a situation. And the next item that we're going to grab is one of these big mamas. So either the flings or the liquid. Again, that is 100% your choice. I'm a fling lady, so I'd rather have the flings. $13.50 for this massive container, and they have very generously given us a $3 off, and I'm going to show you what this looks like here in a quick second. Boom, here it is. So it's either this weekend or next weekend to use this digital coupon. And then we're also going to be grabbing the Febreze fabric. So it's a spray that you put on your sofa. It's not smelling so great. The one with the Gain logo on it for $3.55. And we need this dollar coupon. And as you can see, this 2-stack. So it's working with the 5 off of 30. And then we're also grabbing some of these Gain liquid dish soaps. And here is the digital coupon. Okay, guys, looking at the math for this, we have one Gain fabric enhancer product for $3.95, one Gain detergent for $3.95, one Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50. Alternatively, you can get that massive container of liquid if you wish. And then we're also grabbing one of the Febreze with Gain fabric products to spray down sofas, that sort of stuff, for $3.55. And then 3 Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop. That's $6. So the total for this basket is $30.95. After the cashier scans your last item, you punch in your phone number. And then when he or she presses the pay button, 5 off of 30, 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with the $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $13.95 for the 7 items, shaking it out to $1.99 each. Answer a quick question. What about that $5 receipt coupon that's been printing? Like, where is it? Where is it? I believe that promotion ended last week, and you always need a basket of 15 for it to print, but I believe it is over as of last weekend. So sorry, guys. Okay, guys, next deal that we have again is 100% digital. You need your 5 off of 30 loaded to your store card, along with the Saturday coupon, which is your 5 off of 25. So please make sure you have both of these cornerstones and every other digital loaded to your store card. We're going to be grabbing one of these very large Gain Flings, or alternatively, you can also get the liquid. Make sure that you use the Dollar General app to ensure that the $3 and then the 5 off of 30 are attaching to this product, that you're grabbing the right one, because they come in different scents. This one is original, I believe. So we're going to need this guy loaded to your store card. Now the next item that we're going to grab, this is a little different. We're going to grab 3 of these Febreze fabric sprays with the Gain logo on it. They are $3.55 each. That's a little bit of money. We're going to load the 3 off of 2 plus the $1 off coupon. And then we're also going to be grabbing a couple of these Gain dish liquids for $2 a pop. And then we need this $1 off 2 coupon loaded to our store card. Okay, let's take a quick look at the math. So again, this is a Saturday deal. We have one of those large 51 counts of the Gain Flings for $13.50. 3 of the Gain fabric, those sprays with the Gain logo on it, for $10.65. They're $3.55 each. That's how I'm getting that math. And then 3 of the Gain liquid dish soaps at $2 a pop, so that's 6. Adding all of this wonderful merchandise up together, you have a total of $30.15. When the cashier scans your last item, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with the $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $12.15 out of pocket for the 7 items. This does not include your tax, and it shakes each item out to $1.73 each. Okay, final deal that we have, we're going to be using paper coupons with. We need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30, along with the 5 off of 25. I'm recommending you try to do this deal on a Saturday. We're going to be grabbing one of these large gain flings for $13.50, or you could get the liquid. It is your choice. And then with that, guys, there is this wonderful $3 coupon from the Retail Me Not of September the 13th. You're going to need one of these along with the digital counterpart to that coupon, which is this guy. And then the final item that we're grabbing for our basket is one of these Gain products for $3.95. And we have a wonderful dollar digital coupon that's attaching to those fabric enhancer products for $3.95. So there is that magic. Okay, so looking at the math really quickly, guys. Again, Saturday deal. Let's go with 2 of the Gain flings, those massive containers at $13.50 a pop. That's $27. And then 1 Gain fabric enhancer for $3.95. So adding those 2 numbers up together, you have a total of $30.95. Before the cashier can press the final pay button, you hand over your $3 coupon. After he or she scans that coupon, that's when you would punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with the $4 of digital manufacturers, $3 for your flings, and $1 for the fabric enhancer. So you're left with paying $13.95 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. It basically shakes out each item to $4.65 each. If you consider that you're getting those massive containers that are priced at $13.50 for $4.65, that is some significant savings right there. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.